Hello friends, welcome to the Power BI tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will see how we publish the report in Power BI services. So in the previous tutorial, we have created the account for the Power BI services. So before proceeding this tutorial, I recommend you please go to the part 29 of this tutorial series and see like how we create the account on the Power BI, because without that account, we can't publish the report, because there should be an account on the Power BI service. So let's understand like how we can publish our report on the Power BI. So let's go to the Power BI desktop application, and we are going to publish this report. So let's click on this publish. Like we have already created a account in the previous tutorial, so I'm going to utilize same email ID here, because that email ID is the temporary. So like I have this email ID here. So let's copy this, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to paste it here and sign in. After signing, it will ask the password. So first we will give the password, and then it will start to publishing that report on the Power BI services. So basically based on the report size, it will take the time to publish. So before that, let's give the password. So whatever the password we have given, so sign in. So once we will sign in, it will start to publishing that report on the survey. So first let's see, it is asking select a destination. So my workplace, like whatever the workplace is there, it will publish to that particular workspace. But in the previous tutorial, we have seen like we didn't create any workspace, so we are using the default workspace. So select this one. So I'm selecting that only. So now it will start to publishing to that. So it is started publishing. So we can see like publishing to Power BI, and like we can see it got succeed. Like we got the message, and now if we want to open, what we can do, we can click on this. So it will take us to that particular website, and we can see our data on the Power BI services. So basically we came here, and here it will show the report whatever we have published from the Power BI desktop application. So based on the data, it is taking time to load, and basically like it will take a few seconds to open properly here. So we can see it is coming, it is loading the data. And yes, it is like this report is basically it is very interactive now. Even like if I will select April from here, based on the data, it will reflect here also. So all the relation is still in the Power BI services exist. It's not like all the relationship between all the charts it gone. So it is working as expected. Even we can download this report from here, and we can share with the top management, and we can share the URL to the top management. They can see like how it is working. And even we can see like it is not publishing that particular page, it is publishing all the pages which we have in the desktop application. Like we can see like visual on like filter on the visual, filter on the page. So whatever the pages we are having, it is published all the pages here on the Power BI services. And obviously we have published to our my workspace. So that's why it is showing on the particular workspace basically. So this is the my workspace, and here we can see our data. So these all are the report. Like this is the basically which we imported in the, when you will go in the report, it will load the data again. So like in the coming tutorial, we will see like how we can share this report with the management, and how we can download, and many related to this Power BI services we will see in the coming tutorial. So that's all for this tutorial. So if you have any question and doubt, please comment. Thank you.